Hey guys, it's Hunter with Vision Glass here. We just wanted to take some time today to go over one of the manufacturers that we sell for called Lynx Windows and Doors. Quick background about Lynx. They're manufactured in Calgary. They've been in business in Calgary over 50 years and we are actually their first dealer in the United States. We've been selling them in the Utah area from St. George to northern Utah now for a little over a year. So they've been great to work with and we just wanted to highlight a few of their products. To start out, Lynx has two main lines of windows. The first one I want to talk about is their hybrid window. It's an aluminum exterior, UPVC interior, and this has been a great window as far as it's both affordable but high quality as well. You're going to get the durability and the longevity of aluminum on the exterior, but you're also getting the energy efficiency of UPVC on the interior as well as low maintenance. So as far as exterior finishes go across their line of windows, you've got black, bronze, white, sable, cashmere, and nutmeg is their main colors. They can also do some custom colors if there's a project that requires it. As far as interior colors goes on the hybrid, they offer a black and white. This is their 5/8 inch profile. This is what we sell the most of. It gets you that thin, modern look. They also offer a 2-inch profile, 3.5-inch profile if you're wanting an actual thicker trim around your window. That'll come integrated into the nailing fin on these windows. A couple things to point out with the hybrid windows. They are all steel reinforced frames. There's a plethora of options we can do as far as jam extensions, drywall return channels, so you don't have to mess with drywall butting right into your frame. The jam extensions are super nice. These can come in white or black. Basically, when you put this in during construction, all that you do is you butt your drywall into the side of it, case it, and this is your finished look. Black looks super nice if you're wanting a deep profile window frame, or you can do a white jam extension on a black frame and all your window returns will already be done. You don't have to pay your trim guy or your drywallers to do any returns. Now we'll jump over to Lynx's wood clad line. This is the picture window frame. They're going to be the same exterior as the hybrid windows, aluminum exterior and a fir clad interior. One thing that's unique about the fir, where they're manufactured in Canada, the fir is a locally sourced lumber, so you're getting higher quality wood. Most of the windows I would say around here are done with a pine interior. The fir is going to be higher quality wood and you're going to have less problems with it over time. It finishes better and looks a lot cleaner in my opinion. Another unique feature about the wood clad windows, and this is unique to Lynx, instead of the aluminum butting right into the wood, they actually have a vinyl wrap around the wood, a channel that goes all the way around the perimeter of the window on other picture casement awning windows. One problem with wood clad windows is over time they can rot from the inside out if you ever get water that's getting into the wood. With this vinyl piece, that prevents that from ever happening, and this is one of the reasons that Lynx will stand behind a great warranty on all their products. All their products are either a 25-year to life warranty. As far as buying Lynx products, they stand behind them, we stand behind them, and they're going to last for the life of your home. A couple other unique features with Lynx: they offer everything in a dual or a triple pane glaze. If you're trying to upgrade your home or have an energy efficient home, we can look at some triple glazed options, or we have dual pane options. Their standard dual pane options are going to start at around a 0.27 U value, and we can get them down into the teens. They're a lot more energy efficient than most of the windows in the market. One more unique feature about the wood clad windows is they have two frame profiles. You have the traditional frame that's got this little groove on the edge right here, or for more your modern look, you can go with the edge delete frame. It's a more squared off frame. Seems to tie in a little bit better with some of the modern homes that are really popular right now. One more unique thing that we wanted to touch on real quick with Lynx is a lot of times you can run into issues in, say, a bathroom or maybe a pool area of a house or an area that's going to have a lot of moisture. With Lynx, they have the exact same exterior profile from their wood clad to their hybrid series. So if you're going to run wood clad windows on the other areas of your house and say a bathroom or pool area, you can run the hybrid window and you're still going to have the same look from your exterior.